Hello moneymakers, check out this YouTube channel. They have just uploaded 15 videos, have gained over 200,000 subscribers. And another channel is just 1 month old and already attracted about 20,000 subscribers. Now you might be wondering, what are they doing right? They're creating motivational videos, but with a unique twist. They use perfect AI voices, great scripts, and not just ordinary clips, but unique anime clips, and edit it in a unique way. So after working for almost 100 hours, I have now cracked the code to create such videos easily. Even a 14-year-old can work on this niche and make money on YouTube. Apart from YouTube AdSense revenue, you can earn money from affiliate marketing, brand sponsorship, and selling your own digital self-help product as well. If you need more information on that one, you can comment down below and I will create a dedicated video for it. As of now, grab some coffee and watch this video till the end. Firstly, to create such type of channel, we need to find engaging topics that attract the audience and make them click, or such topics that the audience can relate to. So, how will you find these topics? You should start by referring to similar channels and see what topics they create videos on, and identify their most popular video topics. Then, you can consider topics similar to those. If you're not sure how to do this on your own, you can use AI to assist you. Let me show you how. Firstly, go to the description below and click on the WhatsApp channel link provided there. Join the channel, and there you will find a Google Doc link. From this document, you need to copy the given prompt. In this prompt, I've explained in detail to ChatGPT what kind of topics I need, so it will give you topics related to the reference channels. Just copy this from here and paste it into ChatGPT, and boom, ChatGPT will quickly give you 20 video topics. You just need to review them and make some modifications according to your preferences. Sometimes ChatGPT doesn't give the same response to everyone. For instance, free users might get different responses compared to pro users. That's why your AI Maskman has already added 50 video topics in a Google Doc for you, so you can easily use them for your videos. Just like this, you should keep watching videos related to your niche to continuously find new topics for your videos. If there's a time when people watch more motivational videos, like around the new year, you should create more videos as your chances of going viral will increase. So, we've finished finding video topics, now let's move to the next step. Step 2. Writing scripts. After finding your topics, you need to write scripts. If you're good at writing yourself, you can write them. You'll find many articles related to your topic on Google and related content on YouTube. And the best source is books. There's no better or more authentic content than books, so you can use them too. But if you find all this too difficult, you can use AI. Just follow the steps I'm explaining to you step by step. Open a video from your reference channel, go to the transcript, and copy its script. Then, come to ChatGPT and write. Now you have to just analyze the script which I am going to provide you. Next, paste the copied script here. Take scripts from different videos from another channel, around 4 or 5, and provide them to ChatGPT. That's it. This will help ChatGPT understand exactly what kind of script you need. This is how you need to train ChatGPT. Next, copy the second prompt from my Google Doc, where I've included everything about how the script should be written, how to start, how to end, and even suggestions for visuals. Just copy it from there, paste it into ChatGPT, and don't forget to add your selected topic. And boom, as you can see, ChatGPT has created a perfect script that doesn't sound robotic at all and doesn't contain any unnecessary introductions like "Hello everyone, welcome to my channel," and so on. Isn't that amazing? Right? Even after generating the script, you need to read it carefully and add your personal touch to make it more human-like. And that's it. We've finished the second step. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is crucial for this niche. Voiceover, which is a very important part of this niche. This is because it should feel like you are genuinely motivating the audience. For videos like this, using your real voice can help create a stronger connection with your audience. If you can't do it yourself, you should use an AI tool that produces realistic sounding voices. I recommend Upto AI for this purpose, which will give you a natural sounding voice. First, you need to sign in with your account. After signing in, you'll have a 3-day free trial to try out the tool. Once signed in, go to the dashboard and select the AI voice option. If you want a truly unique voice that sounds natural, you can opt for instant voice cloning, For this feature, you either upload a recorded audio file or record directly on the platform. However, for now, let's proceed with the available AI voices. Now click on Voice and start selecting a voice for your video. First, go to the language options and select English. Then choose the gender. I will select a male adult voice. Next, in the category section, I'll pick the motivational option. Let's listen to the voices and pick the one that best suits our needs.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the car navigation system.
Many years ago lived an emperor who thought so much of new clothes that he...
In the quiet shadows of Birmingham, we make our own rules, cross this bridge, and it's the last mistake.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl.
I'll go with the voice named Jason Miller. First, let's generate the initial paragraph to see how it sounds. If it's perfect and realistic, we can continue with this voice.
You've reached your goal. The version of you that once seemed impossible to become is now your reality. You've conquered the odds, built a life you're proud of, and become the hero of your story. Sounds like a dream, right?
That perfectly suits my script. If I feel like some sections need pauses, I'll add them wherever necessary. Additionally, I'll adjust the speed of certain paragraphs to slow them down. Since this is a motivational video, speaking too quickly might not be effective. After listening to the entire script and making the necessary adjustments, you just need to click on Export and download the file. And that's it. Your voiceover is ready. Wait. If you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is step 4, finding anime clips. This is often the most challenging part of video creation. You have two options here. You can either search for clips or create your own. You can find numerous clips on Pinterest, where you can download them directly. If you're unsure about what kind of clips to use, you can ask ChatGPT for suggestions. Additionally, you can find clips on YouTube. Remember, whether you take clips from YouTube or Pinterest, don't use more than 3 to 4 seconds of a single clip, and ensure there are no subtitles or watermarks on them. You might also find some useful clips on Pixabay. Another method is to use an AI tool to convert any clip into an anime style. This option is also quite effective. Simply choose videos related to your script from Pixabay or Pexels and convert them into anime clips, then download them. This way you can find unique anime clips that will make your motivational video stand out from others. Finally, you need to find background music. You should only use music from the YouTube audio library to avoid copyright issues. Choose calm or ambient music that fits well with motivational videos. Now that we have all the materials, the next step is to merge them. Step 5 is editing. For editing, I will be using CapCut AI. Open the CapCut desktop app and upload all the videos, voiceover files, and music files. Start by setting the first voiceover file on the timeline. Then, add all the video clips one by one in a layer above the voiceover. I will keep the side portions of all the videos black to give the video a unique feel. Next, go to the text section and select Auto Caption to generate subtitles. Then, go to the template section and select the animation option for single words. The exact name isn't provided, but choose the one with one-word animations. You can change the fonts from this section. Add a glow effect to the text, and if you want, you can also change the color here. In the transitions section, add transitions between all the clips. Then, go to the effects section and apply the black noise effect across the entire video. Don't forget to add background music at the end, and remember to lower its volume. As you continue editing, you'll get a better sense of where to add text and other elements. Once you're done editing and have reviewed the video, export it. And that's it. Your unique motivational video is ready just by following these 5 steps. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's watch the video we've created.
Imagine this. You've reached your goal. The version of you that once seemed impossible to become is now your reality. You've conquered the odds, built a life you're proud of, and become the hero of your story. Sounds like a dream, right? But every great story has its struggles. It's the moments when you want to give up that truly define your journey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stay motivated when the world feels heavy and giving up seems like the only option. Let's dive in. Number 1, remember your why. Your journey begins with your why. Why did you start this goal in the first place? Is it to improve your health, secure financial freedom, or become the best version of yourself? When times get tough, your why will anchor you. Take a moment right now. Write down your reason. Keep it where you can see it daily. Remember, your why is your compass. Small challenge. Take one overwhelming goal and break it into 5 smaller, achievable tasks.